Hello, I'm Dr. Tho. Let's talk about video. MPEG, Motion Pictures Expert Group, defines a series of standards. MPEG-2 is used on DVDs. MPEG-4 supports a range of multimedia data at a fixed rate from 10 kilobit per second to 300 megabit per second or greater. 3GP is a simpler version used in mobile phones. HD videos uses higher resolution and may be progressively scanned. Frames with width of 720 and 180 pixels and an aspect ratio of 16:9 are used. MPEG-4 Part 2 uses global motion compensation and sub-pixel motion compensation to improve on the quality of MPEG-1 and MPEG-2. Video compression, spatial compressions and temporal compressions. Spatial compressions of individual video frames is usually based on a discrete cosine transformation like JPEG. DV compression is purely spatial. Temporal compressions works by computing the difference between frames instead of storing everyone in full. All modern codes produce excellent quality at 2 megabit per pixel and higher. Architecture and formats. When choosing video formats and codes, the following factors should be considered: the destination or the video, availability of codes in players, hardware, demands of the decompression process, achievable compression ratios, image quality of compressed video, licensing, and intellectual property issues. Animation. Animation is the creation of moving pictures one frame at a time. We use Hypermedia Flash software animations and moving pictures. Vector animation and Flash. Flash movie, also known as SWF5s, are the most popular web animation format. The vector objects used and the animations are created on the stage. Okay? We know that we already practiced. We open the Hypermedia Flash and then we draw on the stage, the white place, okay? Using conventional vector drawing tools. You already know that on the left side, there are the tools you can use it. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, you can draw the rectangle, you can draw the cycle, and so on. Okay, you can draw the line, you can use the pencil. Okay, that one is called vector drawing tools and technique. Bezier interpolation and linear interpolation. Using Bezier interpolation for positions means that there will be no abrupt changes in direction. The motion will follow a smooth path. Using a linear interpolation for the velocity means that the movement will start and stop abruptly, and there may be sudden abrupt changes in speed. Okay, so this Bezier interpolation, using Bezier interpolation will follow a smooth path, but using linear interpolation, okay, will be, okay, will follow with the changes in speed. Delivering animation. The three predominant formats for delivering digital animations are animated GIF, Flash, and video. Okay, or when we create the animation using the Hypermedia Flash 8, okay, so the file will save with the SWF. Okay, we use the Flash. Flash is superior for vector animation. So that's why we practice with the Flash for practical session. Hypermedia. Style sheets rules written in CSS may be used to control the layout of the elements. Links are used to make connections between nodes and a hypertext system. URLs are used to identify destination on the World Wide Web. Okay, so URL for Seoul University College is www.suc.edu.oman. That is the URL of the Seoul University College. Okay, so which the URLs are used to identify destination of the World Wide Web. Plugins and ActiveX controls are used to extend the capabilities of the browsers, allowing them to display additional types of the media. For plugins, the data attribute points to the media data and the type attribute gives is media type. Okay? And for ActiveX controls, the value of the class ID attribute provide a globally unique identifier for the control. Conditional comments or JavaScript must be used to combine both types of objects so the media will display in any browser. An image placed within an A element can act as a graphic link. The map element contains areas elements defining the geometry of the hotspots. Okay, so these are just the basic introductions about hypermedia. Okay, that's all. Thank you.